Good morning. This is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and in this episode, it is Mind My Business Mondays, and I will be talking about how I plan in my financial spend well planner and how I plan in my everyday teacher planner for this week for home and business. So if you'd like to see how I do that, please stay tuned. All right, guys, let's get started with the spin well planner. Normally, I don't plan in this planner. It's just functional for me. But this week, I decided to do a spread in this particular planner, and let's get into it. It's February, and here's the spread for the week. It is a beautiful pink and green spread. And with touches of cold, and I think it came out beautifully. There's still a lot of room to put things that I need to, and list things that I've spent during the week. I always like to put a quote, "Let your faith be bigger than your fear," which I believe that's just a beautiful saying. And over here, this quote is, "Your only limit is you," and that is also such a true statement. My theme for this year is happy. So that's the biggest goal that I have for this year, is to be happy. So, and wake up and be happy. It is such a choice. We all have choices. That's what we were given, the free will to choose. And every day you have to choose something, whether good or bad. It's the choice that you make. So my choice is to be happy, and to wake up and be happy and be thankful that I woke up. Let's not forget that. So if you work hard enough, the results will come. Yes, you can work hard. It's just the doing, and the results will come. I think that's a more fitting, is the doing. We have to, I believe, get out of the mindset that if we work hard, then results happen. You have to put one foot in front of the other in order to get to where you want to go. If you're just standing still, you're not going to be doing anything. So it is the doing, the action verb, doing, in order to get to the common goal that you want. It's not necessarily hard work like it used to be, because with social media and the internet, that has lessened the hard work for us in this day and age. So it is just doing something that is in line with your goal, gets you to the end result. That's just my opinion, and take it or leave it. It's your choice. I'm happy. This spread makes me happy. It makes me smile. I think in previous spreads I've done, they weren't this elaborate, but this definitely helps. One row is for work, one row is for home, and one row is for savings. So that's how I break this up, and it keeps all my money in one spot, not having a separate business from home. I can see everything, where everything is coming from, what I need to do with it, where the savings is going, where, you know, the business money is coming from and where it's going, and where the home money is going and what I'm doing with it, and what I'm spending on, what I'm not spending it on, and those things. But I think I said this was work, home, and savings, because these two go together. So work, home, and savings. The home and the savings go together. So I'm super excited about this particular spread. It makes me happy. I'm not affiliated with any sorority. I just thought it was pretty and vibrant, and it just made me happy once I got into it. If you'd like to see me actually put the stickers on the page, leave me a comment below, and I will do that. I don't think I'm very good at it, but this one turned out pretty good, I think. So I appreciate you coming along. My goal is to inspire you to design your life with style, and I hope you have a wonderful and great day. See you in the next video.